Hello and welcome to Money Maximized. Today we are going to talk about the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, written by Robert Kiyosaki. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a personal finance and self-help book written by Robert Kiyosaki. The book is structured as a series of lessons and anecdotes that revolve around Kiyosaki's two dads, his biological father, referred to as Poor Dad, and the father of his best friend, referred to as Rich Dad. The book imparts valuable financial wisdom and promotes a different perspective on money and wealth. Here is a summary of the key lessons and concepts from the book. The importance of financial education. Kiyosaki emphasizes the significance of financial education. He argues that schools don't teach us about money and that financial literacy is essential for success. Assets versus liabilities. Kiyosaki introduces the concept of assets and liabilities. He explains that the wealthy acquire income-generating assets like real estate, stocks, and businesses, while the poor accumulate liabilities like mortgages, credit card debt, and car loans. The rat race. Kiyosaki describes the rat race as the cycle in which people work to earn money, pay bills, and have little left over. He encourages readers to escape this cycle by acquiring income-generating assets. Entrepreneurship. Kiyosaki advocates for entrepreneurship and starting or investing in businesses. He believes that owning and managing a business is a path to financial independence. The power of mindset. The book discusses the power of one's mindset in achieving financial success. Kiyosaki explores the differences in the thinking patterns of the rich and the poor. The rich don't work for money. Kiyosaki argues that the wealthy do not work for a paycheck, but rather for the acquisition of assets that generate passive income. He suggests finding opportunities to create income streams. Financial literacy and risk management. Understanding financial statements, investments, and tax strategies is crucial for financial success. Kiyosaki advises readers to educate themselves in these areas and to take calculated risks. Invest in real estate. The book promotes real estate as a viable investment option, emphasizing the potential for passive income through rental properties and capital appreciation. Asset protection. Kiyosaki discusses the importance of protecting your assets through legal structures like corporations and trusts. Savings versus investments. The book discourages relying solely on savings and advocates for putting money to work through investments that have the potential for higher returns. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is known for its unconventional and thought-provoking ideas about money, wealth, and financial independence. It encourages readers to challenge traditional beliefs about money and to strive for financial education, entrepreneurship, and smart investing as pathways to achieving their financial goals. However, it's important to note that the book has also garnered criticism for some of its advice, and readers should exercise discernment when applying its principles to their own financial situations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.